जूम, इसको देखो। जूम, इसको देखो।
मिस इंडिया पैजेंट को हमेशा से तलाश रही है द कंप्लीट इंडियन वुमन की, और यही वो एक ऐसा गुण है जिसे इन अ सीरीज ऑफ प्रिलिमिनरी एंड रीजनल कॉन्टेस्ट ढूंढा और जज किया जाता है. Ones that have been taking place over the past few months and have now yielded the 20 young girls who form the core of the Miss India pageant. Final 20 में चुना जाना अपने आप में ही एक अचीवमेंट और वैलिडेशन है, पर यहाँ पर पहुँचकर वो आखिरी मुकाम और भी नजदीक लगने लगता है. And the chosen 20 contestants arrive for their onward journey to further distinguish themselves as the beautiful leaders of tomorrow. मुंबई के होटल सहारा स्टार से ज्यादा परफेक्ट और डाइवर्स वेन्यू तो हो ही नहीं सकता.
Wow, lovely. Woo! You are Messi. You are a Messi girl. So excited. Nice, nice. Hey, let's take the bathroom, dude. Let's take. Yeah, bathroom. We have a bubble bath here. There's bath salts also. This area is fine. That side is yours. This is mine. This side is yours and this side is mine.
Girls, I know the rooms are lovely. पर आपको यहाँ ज्यादा टाइम नहीं मिलेगा. शुरू हो गया है आपका असली सफर, और इस सफर के हर मोड़ पर है मिस इंडिया पैनल ऑफ एक्सपर्ट्स. वो एक्सपर्ट्स जो मिस इंडिया और इस कवीटेड टाइटल के एस्पायरेंट्स के फ्रेंड, गाइड और मेंटोर बनकर देंगे उन्हें एक नई पहचान. मार्क रॉबिन्सन, हु इज द फैशन एंड इवेंट डायरेक्टर. सबीरा मर्चेंट, मिस इंडिया से तो उनका लॉन्ग स्टैंडिंग एसोसिएशन रहा है, एंड शी विल टीच देम कम्युनिकेशन एंड एटिकेट. एंड द वेल नोन सुपर मॉडल अलीसिया राउत, जो कंटेस्टेंट्स के साथ शेयर करेंगी अपनी रैंप वॉक एक्सपीरियंस और expertise. Speaking of experience and expertise, there are few who epitomize the term better than Mark Robinson. खैर, उन्हें इंट्रोडक्शन की क्या जरूरत. मार्क ने मॉडलिंग से शुरुआत करके हमारा दिल जीता, और अब his tireless work in the area of model grooming, where he has worked with the industry's best designers, painstakingly choreographing fashion shows and events, speaks volumes in itself. वो है तो हार्ड टास्क मास्टर, but with his looks and talent, we don't mind.
The endeavor is to have a great time, to have a happy time, and when you leave and go back to wherever you've come from, I want you all to leave feeling good, irrespective whether you won or you did not win. You're in Mumbai and it's a cool city to live in. The industry is tough, and if you're beautiful, if you're confident, and if you have the right attitude, doors will open for you automatically a lot quicker than they will open for a lot of other people. Are we going to make that happen?
Yes, we can.
Brilliant, okay. And this is the only time I'm going to tolerate you walking on the ramp with slippers. Okay, whenever you come on the ramp, I want you to come in proper footwear. Okay, so your phones are going to be taken away every night, okay?
सबसे पहला और अहम रूल था नो फोन्स अलाउड, पर कंटेस्टेंट्स रही काफी स्पोर्टिंग एंड took it up as yet another challenge.
Mobile phones are taken away. Can you believe in the history of Femina Miss India? This has never happened.
Yeah, now that is one sad part. They collect our phones we don't have our phones throughout our training sessions. We don't have them at the night as well. You get only 15 minutes to call your family, friends and speak to them.
You know, we should be able to talk on the phone at the end of the day, because we are all so tired and we want to talk to our, family and boyfriends and etc. And we are not being able to. It's bad. That's what happens. And now we get it like tomorrow for 15 minutes.
फोन को सैक्रिफाइस करने का चैलेंज तो कंटेस्टेंट्स ने कबूल कर लिया, बट द फर्स्ट ट्रू Pantaloons Femina Miss India 2009 challenge is to impress Mark Robinson.
It's always difficult, it's always awkward. You're meeting 20 new girls who walked inside. They've all come from different backgrounds. They've come from all over the country. expectations are high. You're sort of breaking the ice with everybody. They've been through intensive training already, in their own minds at least, which I think we have to undo most of it and sort of start them afresh. A couple of girls did stand out. There was a girl there's a girl called Dimple, right? Dimple, as she walks into a room, she's got a persona about her that's wow. Nandini also looks like fab. She speaks well. She's got the right attitude, but can she walk right? Can she look as though she owns the stage when she gets onto it? I don't think so. Then we have Pooja Chopra from Pune. She won Miss India East, another contender. She's good. Faith, who was a dark horse, who wasn't supposed to take part in Miss India at all. First impressions, these 4 girls are good for me at this point in time.
मार्क के क्लियर फेवरेट्स तो ऑलरेडी बन चुके हैं, पर ये तो सिर्फ वार्म अप था. Will the story remain the same when these beauties take to the ramp? Well, ये तो हमें day 2 के ट्रेनिंग सेशंस को देख के ही पता चलेगा. So, come along.
Today's been actually the first day that we got down to put in the girls on the runway. I think Dimple is still looking fresh. She's got a great body. She needs to work on her upper thighs a little bit, but she's nice. She's perfect material for Miss World. Another girl who stood out was Akansha. Now Akansha has never ever walked the ramp before. Today I saw her and she's got so much of confidence in her. She's looking good. She's looking hot, and she's got the right spirit. Another new girl who's never walked the ramp and today who did well was Hanika. She's got the right body, her hips are the right proportion, from a model point, from a contestant point. She looks beautiful, she's pretty.
There are these other contestants who have walked the ramp before, and we are freshers and newbies, so it's good to learn something good from someone who's been so experienced. And it's always nice to, learn from these people instead of actually thinking that, oh my God, Mark said this to you and he said that go learn something from that girl. It's okay. I think it's a part and parcel of training and of your whole experience, and I think it's great.
We also had some girls today who were, a total letdown. Nishita, I think she's awful. She's got so much more to do if she wants to still be in this competition.
I'm not from the modeling field. I'm an MB and I've never walked the ramp before. So it was very nervous when I came to know that we have to walk the ramp.
Then we also have Pooja Hegde. She's young, she's new, but so is Akansha. She's young and she's new, and a huge difference.
Today was the first time I walked the ramp and I kind of tripped, but that's a secret. I'm not supposed to tell anybody. But it was good, I mean, it's the first time that I'm doing all of this and I'm trying. I'm really doing my best.
Diksha also needs to get her act together. Big disappointment. It's not coming together, her walk, the attitude,
मार्क तो जाने जाते हैं अपने नो नॉनसेंस मिजाज के लिए. उन्हें कई कंटेस्टेंट्स इम्प्रेस नहीं कर पाई, पर कंटेस्टेंट्स का इस बारे में क्या ख्याल था?
हमारा सबसे एक्साइटिंग सेशन था शाम को मिस्टर मार्क रॉबिन्सन के साथ, एंड दैट वाज द रैम्प वॉक ट्रेनिंग सेशन. ऑल 20 गर्ल्स फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम वर टुगेदर ऑन द रैम्प्स. आई वाज jittery, I have to accept. I was a little nervous twice, and third time got a little comfortable, and I'm sure today was the first day. Slowly we'll get a hang of it and become more comfortable.
Hi, my name is Alessia Rao. I've been a ramp modeling for the past 8 years. मैं ऑफ रैम्प काफ़ी शाई हूँ, काफ़ी स्पॉन्टेनियस हूँ, काफ़ी टॉम बॉयश हूँ, बट मैं जब रैम्प पे होती हूँ मुझे एक्चुअली लोग दिखाई नहीं देते. मुझे बस लग रहा है कि मैं अपने आप के लिए चल रही हूँ. आई एम जस्ट एंजॉयिंग बीइंग अप देयर. There's this one sentence: you are never a loser unless you try quitting, and that has really helped me a lot in life. Contestant number 1.
This is the first time that I'm associated with Femina Miss India, so I was kind of nervous. When I saw them for the first time, of course, immediately you get the positive vibe that they're here to learn and create a mark for themselves, and I'm here to teach them. So there was an equal balance happening between us. They are raw, so they have to learn how to hold themselves with grace, but still have that go-getter attitude. So we're trying to create an equal balance of both poise and go-getter attitude.
Start your right leg, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. Okay.
For me, first impression is not the last impression. We have a month of training, so I'm sure by the end of our session, I'm going to see much more improvement, and everything depends upon last moment luck, your destiny.
That's number one. She's very big. She's extremely gawky, and her full positioning is all wrong, and she got hip body. Okay? But contestant number two, she's very new. She's never walked in a ramp ever before, so she hasn't a clue. So I've made her put her hands down and walk, but she has no idea about feet positioning. She's too much of stuff in there. We look at contestant number three. Okay, also new, doesn't have a clue what to do. We go to four as far as I'm concerned, is a disaster. Okay, but she has a nice way, she's simple, but she's got big thighs. If she can be worked on, not a bad idea. Dimple is no Miss World. She's beautiful, she's young, she's soft-spoken. So just look at her work. And then you have Pooja and the other girls who are not too bad and okay.
It's all about teamwork. मार्क ने अलीसिया से शेयर किए गर्ल्स के स्ट्रेंथ्स और वीकनेसेस, जिसे वो उन्हें सही गाइडेंस दे सके। पर निष्ठा के बारे में उनका क्या कहना है?
About Nishtha, we have just opened a new door for her, so everything is like a new world for her. So she's trying to get there. It's just been 3 days, 4 days that they are here. We can't expect miracles overnight. We have to give them time. There are people over here who are training them to reach to that level. Just give us some more time and you should see best of results.
Yeah, Nishtha has been doing really well, and since it's the first time, so it's okay. And you know, everyone goes through their first time. Even I had to go through the same thing. So yeah, hopefully, she will do really well.
कभी इस तरह से इतना हील्स पहन के कभी वॉक नहीं किया। यहाँ पर आकर फेथ ने कल काफ़ी हेल्प किया मेरा, मुझे बताया मुझे कैसे पोज करना चाहिए, कैसे वॉक करना चाहिए। शुरू में काफ़ी डर लग रहा था, लेकिन अभी धीरे धीरे थोड़ा आ रहा है, मोटिवेशन आ रहा है और थोड़ा पता भी चल रहा है कि कैसे वॉक करते हैं, हील्स पहन के अपने आप को कैसे कैरी करते हैं। तो आई थिंक आई एम इम्प्रूविंग एंड आई नो आई कैन डू इट मच बेटर एंड आई एम ट्राइंग माई लेवल बेस्ट एंड आई विल डू इट डेफिनेटली।
I think the contestants should be given a clear picture of what they're actually working towards, don't you? Imagine आप स्टेज पे खड़े हैं, आपका नाम अनाउंस होता है और आपको पहना दिया जाता है a stunning crown. That very crown will set you apart and mark you as the winner. And today at this stunning Sahara Star Hotel, contestants को और आपको सबसे पहले मौका मिलेगा to see those very crowns.
This afternoon we have a surprise for you.
पैंटलून्स फेमिना मिस इंडिया 2009 के कंटेस्टेंट्स का सपना मानो साकार हो गया था। वो अपने लक्ष्य को देख सकती थी, महसूस कर सकती थी।
All the crowns are winners' crowns, so we are not looking at it from an angle of universe, world or earth. Any other questions you have?
We're all pretty speechless. I don't think anyone's planning to talk anything.
So you can now have a look at it, touch it, feel it.
We just had the unveiling of the crowns and they're all looking fabulous. I think these are the best crowns ever, and I'm so glad that we're part of this pageant because we get to put one of those crowns on our head.
So Miss World has amethyst on it, which is my lucky stone, so I'm hoping to wear that crown on my hair very soon.
As soon as I saw it, I had goose pimples. So I'm still so in awe and they're all so beautiful.
I didn't want to touch it because I just said to myself, rather than touching today, I might as well have it on my head on the 5th April night.
The contestants have to face the press और इसकी तैयारी चल रही है पूरे जोर शोर से। पर क्या सब कुछ स्मूथली जाएगा?